Hi everyone, my name is Rosen Tamang. My UNID is 18413711. Today I am going to discuss about the media technology assignment. In this assignment, I have created a sound annotator. This assignment, we have to import two different audio files, which is an audio of a football match and a post commentary from the same audio. Now, we have to mix both the audios and save the file into a folder. Let's get started. So this is the program which I have created. In this we can see a primary audio settings and secondary audio settings and a combination settings which is used for resetting the speed. So let's import our audio file. The primary audio is an audio of a football match. So we can either play, pause or resume or stop this audio. Pause this audio and resume it. And we can finally stop this audio. By stopping this audio will be the position of the primary audio will get resetted to its initial position. You can also see the primary audio file path over here. Now let's import the secondary audio, which is a post commentary. Now let's play this audio. You can either pause this or resume this audio. You can also play and pause this audio at the same time for both the audios. In this way, both the primary and secondary audio can be played at the same time. The combination setting over here is used to increase or decrease the speed of the audios. As you can see, the audio has been increased, and now we can also decrease the speed of this audio. The speed slider works for both the audios. So let's reset the speed and play it again. So now to mix both the audios, we can use this mixer handle located over here. The mixer handle works in this way. If we slide the mixer handle in a certain position, the secondary audio gets mixed into the primary audio. Now let's mix the secondary audio at 6.2 seconds of the primary audio. Now let's hit the mix button and the audio has been mixed. As you can see, the audio sample has been changed in this primary section. So let's play this. As you can see, the secondary audio has been mixed into the primary audio. You can also mix the audio in 12.6 section of the primary audio. As you can see, the primary audio has been mixed. Now you can again play this and see. So as you can see, the secondary audio has been mixed into primary audio. You can again mix the audio at any interval of the time. Now let's mix it, and you can see the audio has been mixed into primary audio setting. You can also import another audio, another commentary, and import it in the secondary audio and mix it into the primary audio. Now to finally save this, we have to click over here and we have to select a folder and give a file name. Let's give it a file name. Now let's click OK. Now finally has the audio has been saved. The audio is saved at having the audio is saved using WAV extension. Now let's check the audio file. So this is the file which I have saved just now. Now let's play it. So this is the saved file. As you can see, I have mixed this audio in three separate intervals of the primary audio which we have heard just now. In this way, we can mix different kinds of audios using this sound annotator. Not only the football match, we can mix any kind of sound which we can try later. So, thank you.